So we're about to leave the Corduroy Inn, mailing some stuff back home and just doing last minute check. But this place is really nice. It's definitely one of our favorite hostels we've stayed at so far. The breakfast was amazing. Like, look at this. Doesn't that look awesome? Man. And the house is like super cute. Here's the living room. And we all chilled in the dining room where we just were. She has her own, she makes her own honey, which is awesome. You could send postcards. And there's like frozen pizzas and meals and soda in there that you get on the honor system, and a whole resupply, which is super convenient. But yeah, we had such a wonderful stay here. I think it's one of the best nights of sleep I got in a hostel yet, which is amazing. And this place is so nice and cute, and I definitely recommend staying here. It's amazing, and Tina is so nice. So thank you so much, Tina, if you ever see this. We also love all the art here, like Over Mountain Shelter. This is us. That's literally where we camped.
Yup, that's Over Mountain Shelter.
Awesome art.
The charcoal of the animals is awesome.
I also love this. Excuse me.
Oh. Honey bear.
Oh my goodness, it's gonna be 80 degrees. But yeah, also, something that Andrew also loves about this place is that everything's like labeled.
Everything is meticulously
Everything
labeled.
is labeled.
And it's amazing.
And
like
it's awesome.
You go into the bathroom and there's like a big arrow pointing to like the switch that turns on the fans. So like when you're taking a shower, like, you know,
Yeah.
I wouldn't turn it on because I'm an idiot.
It's like, put this type of laundry in this basket, put this, and it's awesome.
You didn't have to ask any questions because everything was just like very nicely labeled, and everything was just very orderly and smooth. And I think it's her just running the show.
Yeah.
And she looked not stressed out. I think
Nah,
part
Tina
of the reason
is awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, favorite stay?
Might be.
Oh man, it's a beautiful day out. Holy cow. Also, this is the road that we walked up to get here. It's so beautiful. And this is the Corduroy Inn. It's so lovely here. Ah. We're heading out on this beautiful day.
This was like the best hostel ever.
Right? It's so beautiful here.
My gosh, this tree, I'm not even kidding. This might be 8 to 10 feet across.
Yeah, it's big.
Like, can you stand by it for comparison, please? This is incredible. This tree.
It's thick.
I'm talking hundreds of years right here.
Yeah.
This tree.
Like a regular tree would be one of the branches.
Yep.
That's a regular tree.
Yeah.
It's like that big. Holy cow.
Yeah, this tree was probably like, you know, this tree was still here when, you know, I don't know. Definitely before America was America.
Dinosaurs roamed the earth.
Dinosaurs roamed the earth and that tree survived. All the way up until now. Does that work?
There you go.
Look at that.
The Corduroy Inn. Hey. And we're off.
And they're off.
I'm back on trail. Walking the pastures.
Look at these like chickadee canary type things. These little yellow birds. You can see one kind of standing up there. You know, there's one out there. There's a couple out here, see? They're flying
Oh,
around.
there. Well,
These
you
tiny
can't see it
little
on here.
yellow
But...
guys.
Okay, let me see if we can try it again. Oh, he's flying away. Never mind. feel like this is like our third one so far, and we just started.
Little ladder workout.
Yep. After 2 climbs of going straight up and down both times, we finally see flat trail. So we made to Lick Creek, and that's the bridge that broke.
Obviously in disrepair.
Yeah, and we got to cross this, so.
We have the very rare opportunity of fording a creek, which probably does not happen very often.
Yep, time to switch out into our Crocs. We're gonna cross here because it's definitely more shallow, and there's a rope. So, it's also our lunch spot. And he's doing it. He's going across. All right, on a 6'4" dude, it's pretty low.
That's quite nice.
I bet. It's so hot today. This is gonna feel great.
Katie's doing the thing.
Oh man, he's good.
It's nice, right?
Yeah. Ooh. That's nice cold water right there.
Yep. Look at that, you did it.
Yay.
Yay.
Time for food. How your feet feel?
I'm this is what I want in terms of like spa treatment. It's just something like this, you know, just a foot soak, you know. I mean, if there was a hot tub here, that'd be amazing, but you know, this is the next best thing.
It's true.
I don't need no fancy schmancy, you know what I'm saying?
We're starting to climb up to Chestnut Knob. I'm having a hard time. It's so hot.
It is hot.
And it's so sunny. Like, I have photosynthesized enough from like 10 a.m. alone. Like that was enough for the day. Because my thing, I have a temperature thing on my fanny pack. It reads over 80 degrees. And it was literally like sub-freezing in the beginning of the week. And it is now over 80 degrees in the sun. And I'm like, it's the end of our day. And we're ending it on this climb up to Chestnut Knob. So this is going to be interesting. It is so hot. I've drank so much water already. And it's still, man, it really went from 0 to 100. Like, truly. Like, there was no in between.
True.
It was like, all right, it's snowing. And now it's super hot. Oh, and the flies. So you stop and all the flies like gather. I'm like, I hate this. Yeah. Oh. All right, the last 4 miles to go. Filling up on water.
Fill up on some water.
And there's a little gnome village here.
Yep.
Look at it.
I'm digging it.
Well, it opened up into a grassy field.
I think that's an actual Oriole. It's hard to see though. Will he jump around? Where is he? There he is. Oh, there he goes.
Filling up on the water before we head up more.
And we've made it up quite a ways. Look at that.
Such a nice view.
Yeah. I'm looking out, it's like you see that whole sort of ridge of mountains and all the pastures underneath it. I bet we were somewhere over there today.
Very cool. We made it. Chestnut Knob Shelter.
Yep.
Look at this view.
It's not gonna rain, right?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I'm like tempted to.
Nice.
Oh my gosh. Look at the ladybugs that are all on this window.
Oh my goodness.
Those are all ladybugs.
Wow. But this is the shelter. It's like bunks.
There's a picnic table.
Huh.
It's pretty cool.
It's quite cool. What are we thinking? Tent?
Yeah, we could do some.
Let's do it. He's got his Japanese thing on. This one. Today was a hard day for both of us.
Even though we only went, what, like just under 14 miles? Something like that?
I think more, right? I don't know. I
don't know.
Guess I'll
Point
insert
is,
it right here.
We've done more miles under easier conditions.
Yesterday.
And this was
yesterday.
Yeah. This was a reminder that, like, you know,
elevation
13,
matters.
13 can be hard.
Yeah, plus it's hot.
Especially when it's absolutely scorching and you're going up, what was that, 2,000 feet in 4 miles or something like that?
I started panicking,
No thanks.
like, because I was like so scared I was gonna get heat exhaustion. But yeah, today was a rough day for us, but we made it. There's our tent. Look. Yay. And the view is behind that. Yeah.
I can't remember what it's called. It's like Burke's Garden or something like that.
Garden.
Yo, it's pretty cool.
It's really nice.
Pretty cool. It's
Yeah.
like a big crater.
Just glad we're here. And now
Same.
I'm so hungry. My sister sent me this and I'm gonna have it tonight. Oh yeah. What I must say about eating on a hot day is that at camp we're not freezing while we're eating, which is amazing.
True.
Yeah, I just gotta get used to it. You know, hiking in the heat. Especially hard though when it was cold before. Winding down in the new tent. Whoa.
What's up?
I'm filming.
Oh, nice.
Want to sign off, Andrew?